I was having a conversation with a gal yesterday who's been participating in this reset, and one of the things that she noticed is that she is not snoring. And she attributed that to her weight loss. Since the middle of September, about a month, a little bit over a month, she's lost 20 pounds. And while this isn't a weight loss program, weight loss is one of the side effects of dialing in these habits. So we went into that discussion about snoring, and I want to share with you something I shared with her because I think it's super duper important. So, whenever we are eating clean and we're eating in a healthy way, we're eliminating a lot of high acid foods, meat, sugar, junk food. You get the gist of that. And we eat more alkalizing foods. And what the body does in response to high acid is it increases respiration. Respiration helps to pump off high acid, and it's one of the ways that the body balances its alkalinity, its pH. And so, this is really cool science that's quite unknown to the masses. But when we take better care of ourselves, our respiration goes down. We pump off more carbons because we are allowing our breath naturally slows down, and we gather up more carbon dioxide to expel out on our exhale. It's a little nerdy, but stay with me. When we do that, those carbons, the increased release of carbons is the metabolism of our fat cells. Fat is carbon chains. That's basically what they are. And the way we lose fat from our body is through respiration. And when we don't put a bunch of high acid foods in our body, the body isn't dealing with that. It's actually rebalancing our health. I hope this makes sense. So, lower acid foods, more alkalizing foods equates to better breath or breathing, and ultimately the release of excess weight. Now, let's explore an important nuance. Sometimes we may feel a sense of contraction or resistance that isn't related to the decision itself, but stems from fear or old belief systems that no longer serve us. Take a moment to reflect on whether the contracted feeling is coming from a place of fear or outdated beliefs. Does this decision challenge you to step outside your comfort zone in a healthy way? If so, it might feel a bit like fear, but it's different from the resistance of making a decision that isn't aligned with your well-being. Trust yourself to know the difference. Breathe into the sensation and ask, is this fear holding me back, or is it guiding me towards something that will help me grow?